I want to show you guys this mole repellent. So it repels rodents and snakes. They're solar powered. So you just put them in the ground and they charge. Screw them in the dirt. And to turn them on, it's this switch right here. So you could hear it, it's vibrating. So you could just leave them on and they'll charge by themselves. Alright, so we're gonna install these in this area because we have gophers. So make sure you turn it on and then you just screw it in. Make sure not to use a hammer because you're gonna damage the solar panel. There we go.